What up, everybody? We're out here in, where are we? El Cajon, California. Came to visit the homeboy Blake at his shop over here, see what they got going on at Shreddy, and we're gonna try to lace them up with some pedal commanders, see what they think about them. So let's go check it out, see what they got going on over here.
Dude, one wheel is dead. Give me the breakdown on this, because I mean, I've obviously seen this around a lot, and it's just a TPS sensor.
So you plug this in just right behind the gas pedal, right? I mean, when you hook this up, it basically just puts the pedal commander in control, so you can go from eco, which slows down your throttle, right? If you need to go slow or you need to control throttle, you bring it down to eco. You want to go really, really fast, and you want to shred some stuff, then you put it on Sport Plus, and then you're you're pressing down. You're barely touching the pedal, and your wheels are already moving. So,
oh man, Big Booty Judy's ready.
Big Booty Judy's ready.
Yeah.
So we're gonna lace you up and then see what you think about it afterwards.
Let's do it.
All right, man.
I'm down. So it's just simple plug and play, pretty much.
Plug and play. These two cables right here.
Dude, I could probably figure this out in like 5 seconds. Oh, dude, I can tell right now. This girl just wants to bark. That's the nicest thing. It's like almost like adding a little bit of a supercharger to this turbo, like, and giving it that instant power. That's why I like on my Bug, I like the supercharger feel to it, because
it kicks in right away.
Yeah, it's like instant power. Whereas like the turbos, you always get that turbo spool. But I feel like this is definitely, yeah. So we're on full kill.
Make some quick adjustments real quick, dude.
It's one of those things where a lot of people, I feel like, can definitely be like, that's too good to be true. Oh, maybe it doesn't do that much, but like, because like, don't get me wrong, I'm sometimes one of those people, and this is nice. This is definitely surprised me.
Yeah,
for sure. Like, how could something so simple make such a difference and be so easy to install and so cheap yet fun to play with and effective?
Almost doesn't make sense.
It totally does. If you're someone that's like in tune with your equipment, I mean, being able to just feel that crispy throttle response versus like the stock setting or even the eco or the city, and then going to full kill sport mode +4, it's just like instantaneous. Like, it's hard to come off of like a dead stop without the thing wanting to just jump. So I mean, that's what I was explaining to these guys. It's almost like adding a supercharger to a turbo setup, you know? Like, it's that instantaneous power that everybody wants, and that if you're in a sticky situation and you know, you're in off-road per se, and you need that throttle then and now, like, that's the business. You want to see what Big Booty Judy can do? Now with the fucking pedal commander, it's like, we're gone.
Yeah.
Later.